Today we want to show y'all how to change the tensioner pulley on an Impala 3400 engine. Alright, you need a 3/8 drive ratchet, 10mm socket, and 15mm socket. First you're going to remove this reservoir out your way, cooling reservoir. Simple move. So you have some work room to get the belt off. Set it to the side. Go on the side, put your ratchet in the tensioner pulley and pull on the tensioner. Release the tension off of the belt. And move the belt. And that's free. Come down. Put your 15mm back on your ratchet. Get inside. Simple change. It's an easy fix. Real quick. Right out the way. Just put my socket on using my hand. Now it's loose enough. This bolt is loose enough to hand that's thread. Bada bing, bada bow. Oh, tensioner off. A new tensioner ready. Side. I'm gonna get it down here. Started by hand. You start all your screws by hand. It saves you from cross threading. Any and every screw, nut, you wanna start it by hand. What you in there doing, bro? Look at the nigga here asleep. Hey, you. Hey, you. What are you doing over there? What are you doing over there? Finish this up real quick. Get my brother right, man. New tension pull down. Now then just follow your belt routing and put your belt back on and everything's back gravy, right? You know. Y'all continue being blessed. Hey, Blueflame. You know what I'm saying? Blessed by the best art repairs. Thanks for watching.